my son wanted to start increasing his protein intake. So of course, you know, he was here for the protein powder. And this was a couple years ago now. And we started looking around on Amazon, chose this Optimum Nutrition vanilla powder because it had 20,000 people buying it a month and about 225,000 5-star reviews. I don't even keep the bottle anymore because we have it on subscribe and save, and the kids use it so often that I literally just dump it in here. I'm gonna open it up and show you a recipe in a second.
I was talking about, so just get like a big scoop of ice. Violently assault it if necessary. 12 ounces of whatever your milk is, and a good scoop of this, a banana. And then you can put strawberries, or like she likes peanut butter. Hands are shaky. I could have blended that better. That's what your shake looks like. It's delicious.
So let's do a quick review about what I like about this protein powder. But first, what you guys want to see. I just like this better than the tub because it's easier for the kids to get in here and not spill it. Somehow they spill it when I leave it in the other container. But you have like a nice big scoop. I always tell them to do that so they don't lose any powder. Let me put some loosely in my hand. I know y'all are gonna trip that I just put that back. It's okay, my hands are clean. Shh, don't tell them. No artificial growth hormones. There's about 29 servings in a jug. I think we bought the 2-pound one. And they have it in like a bajillion flavors and sizes. We've tried chocolate and vanilla. The vanilla is the one, the kids are like gaga for this stuff. I literally ordered this like a couple weeks ago and look how much is gone. It's 100% whey protein and it's 24 grams of protein per serving. And it also has 5 grams of BCAAs in it, which is really important if you have somebody who's like working out, they need that for recovery.